Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We will continue AC generator. Suppose these are magnetic field lines, they are perpendicular to this. अब किस कल मैंने बताया इट वर्क फॉर द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. जब ये रोटेट होता है, कॉइल रोटेट होती है, ये कॉइल रोटेट आप मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स गसान चेंज, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स गसान चेंज, आप गसान इंड्यूस ईएमएफ, इनसे गसान प्रोड्यूस अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. अब किस जब हम वर्किंग की बात करें, वर्किंग सपोज हम शुरू करेंगे when time is equal to 0, suppose t is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. theta confusion गई जो नहीं की मैं वो रात suppose magnetic field line में perpendicular या suppose मैं थ्रो या remote perpendicular मगर theta is the angle between magnetic field and area vector go which is this is the area. The line which is perpendicular to this, that's called area vector. That means अगर ये perpendicular तो magnetic field line is perpendicular. बह कर start अति पे तमो मतलब अमन दोन दरमियान the angle between the area vector, the angle between area vector A and magnetic field B is equal to 0. Area vector go the area vector the line which is perpendicular to the area. Chunki each perpendicular is karo ati pet start. Ye you are wuchun ki field line is perpendicular. Ye wuchun ye area vector is the yah darmiyan kya chi magnetic field line kya chi angle. Suppose ye angle se barabar suppose ati ke bet kar start when t is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. That means plane of coil, it is perpendicular to the magnetic field. This magnetic field is perpendicular, but the angle between the area vector. You said area vector kit part trauma is agar to yaad patim lecture area vector trauma is a line which is perpendicular to the area. It's called area vector. At darmiyan the magnetic field darmiyan suppose angle is 0. We will start rotating here. If theta is equal to 0, agar theta gets 0 barabar. Suppose after time t, yeli rotate gets suppose it put. You can rotate it put. Yeli rotate gas it put. Suppose rotation gas. Timu malago yeli rotation gas is coil gas rotation. Suppose ki ya coil pati it put. You see area vector te gas change. Area vector gas perpendicular ya put. Then when we start rotating here, that is called theta is equal to 0. After t seconds, it rotates through an angle theta. Suppose after t seconds, this coil rotates with angle theta. Theta is suppose it put how we can idea thoda. Suppose you can rotate it put. Just show the timu malago area vector ka set area vector pe perpendicular ya put which already it put. Suppose this angle is theta here. This is area vector A, this magnetic field line is B. It rotates through an angle. That means that area vector gets rotate. Rotate angular rotation. Let's say we say the coil rotates with a constant angular velocity. You say coils rotate gasan. We suppose that it rotates with a constant angular velocity. Coils we suppose coil rotates with constant angular velocity. Omega. You know that omega cuts the rate of change of angle swept by body with respect to their time. Angle kota go change this time that's one is angular velocity. Yeah, it's one of weakness here. It is constant angular. Theta go barabat omega t. theta. You know this. It is in previous class also. Omega को बराबर theta t. I hope you are getting my point. Goodness कोर में suppose time as 0, theta is 0. Theta here, please don't forget. तुम वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन परपेंडिकुलर कॉइल यम ठीक मगर अस कर थीटा स्टार्ट 0 इस हसा थीटा यह हसा फील्ड लाइन तो एंगुलर एरिया वेक्टर गोस कह लाइन त्रो परपेंडिकुलर एरिया तथ वन एरिया वेक्टर ये परपेंडिकुलर त्रो हु परपेंडिकुलर तमिक मन दरमियान एंगल 0 या अस कर सपोज व्हेन t = 0 थीटा = 0 ये कॉइल गस rotate at some angle after t seconds coil rotates angle theta suppose इमें कोडमत ये पे ये पैच coil इमें कोडमत angle theta मगर टाइम लगुस t तेल एंगुलर वेलोसिटी इस तपो यह कांस्टेंट एंगुलर वेलोसिटी बराबर theta by t. I hope you are getting. Magnetic field linked with the coil in this instant. Yet instant पे यूज at time t magnetic field कोता गस बराबर आसन तो ऑलरेडी पर magnetic field links बराबर b dot a b b dot a is equal to ba cos theta. ये ऑलरेडी आपने पढ़ा ba cos theta. Yeah, we can say magnetic field linked with the coil is at this instant ba cos theta बजाय लिखा omega t. I hope you are getting this ba cos omega t. But it is for one coil. If the coil, since this armature coil has plenty turns, n turns, if there are n turns in a coil, in a generator, in a armature, if coil is having n turns, then the total flux linked with is total flux linked of n turns will be that means flux net go til barabar net flux go barabar n ba या मैं लिखूंगा दूसरे पेज पे net flux go tel n ba cos omega t. I hope you are getting this. Okay, but induced EMF, Faraday's law, induced EMF कत छ आसान बराबर ये flux गस change, induced EMF is called induced EMF. अगर तो याद आसो induced EMF छ आसान बराबर minus d phi यत गो net divided by dt. Negative sign indicates the direction which are given which was given by Lenz's law. This negative sign is because of Lenz. वो आपने already मैंने आपको पढ़ाया. That means we can say minus d by dt is equal to n ba cos omega t. And number of turns are constant. Magnetic field is constant. Area is constant. Okay. Here it is changing omega t. That means minus n ba carbon number d by dt of cos omega t. Cos omega t is minus sign minus n ba into minus sin omega t into omega. ये आपको पता है. या मैं फिर ये लिखूंगा n baw n ba omega sin omega t. We know that omega is a constant. मैंने angular velocity is constant. मैंने आपको already constant angular area constant है. Magnetic flux जो lines है वो constant and number of turns constant है. ये सारा constant है. We can name it with another constant. Let it is E0. That means induced EMF linked is equal to E naught sin omega t, where E naught is also a constant is equal to n ba omega. I hope you are getting my point. That this is the induced EMF. But current क्या flow हो जाएगी? When there is induced EMF gets developed, then gets current flow. Therefore, induced current will be induced current I is equal to induced EMF divided by resistance R या potential divided by R. Induced EMF किसके बराबर है? वो E divided by R. What is E? E is equal to E naught sin omega t divided by R. R is the resistance. It is also a constant. E by R is also E naught is constant because E naught is equal to this constant. E naught by R bana beha constant. Let us just name this. That means current flowing is equal to I naught sin omega t. This is the current alternating current flowing through a AC generator. Yeah, we can say अगर theta में हम निकालेंगे I is equal to I naught sin theta. You know that omega t is equal to sin theta. ये already मैंने आपको बताया ऊपर. That means Yus alternating current develop guy may so go I naught sine. This is the I naught is the maximum value. It is the maximum current. It is the maximum value of the alternating current. अगर बह ग्राफ बनाव ये तमिक वालों को अल्टरनेटिंग करंट इसमें डेवलप गई AC जनरेटरस मज सह गई ये डेवलप में I नॉट गो बराबर I नॉट साइन थीटा या साइन ओमेगा टी where this I naught is the maximum current, I naught is peak, इसको हम पीक कहते हैं, पीक करंट या मैक्सिमम पीक करंट. ओके अगर मैं ग्राफ त्राव तमिक मतलब गो ये मैं ग्राफ त्राव ये go current to positive yapar goes negative. Here we can say theta be no time the yapar time theta is got 0 to you it put which magnet agar to yaad aise pati me ko theta go 0 yapar magnet field is yapar me 0 suppose it put me 0 yel be yapar pherani it put you remove to ya ye has yapar go 0 so month go 0 iti pet kar start you go 90 okay 90 yet be yapar feran you go 180 yet be yapar feran go 270 yedi bay hurkun it put bay you go 360. This is called completion of a circle. You complete during full this time period you on a pani position bay at the start was go. That means agar is theta nimon 0 agar is theta nimon 0 अगर इस थीटा निमन 0 but we get it is sin 0 here is correct but it will just like this that means it is 0 theta is equal to 0 90 180 आगे तक जाएगा 180 फिर क्या 270 ये 360 या तो 360 is a full time period time या तो उसको टाइम का जब इसको टाइम t/4 it is t/2 nesp you go 3t by 4 it is 4t/4 that's equal to time period is here t इसको योकुन suppose अगर ये था योकुन ये था और ये बस ये ऐसे हो जाएगा कभी पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा कभी नेगेटिव सॉरी ये ऐसे बनेगा ये तो नहीं है ये ऐसे बनेगा ये थोड़ा ये जस्ट लाइक दिस 90 डिग्री पे पीक हो जाएगा फिर यहाँ 270 पे पहुँचेगा ये पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा करंट ये नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ जाएगा फिर यहाँ दिस द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सर को इट विल लुक लाइक दिस अल्टरनेटिंग करंट विल लुक लाइक दिस व्हेन वी दैट इज इट इज द दिस I naught sin omega t is the mathematical form of I naught. When we draw the graph of this we will get just like this. This is the alternating current. That means here it is I naught plus I naught. अगर यहाँ मैं बताऊँगा it is negative I naught. It is the peak value of current, but it is sign is here that it changes its direction here. Negative sign it changes its direction here. Commercial generators हम that means this is all about the working. अगर हम बताएंगे hydroelectric generator makes use of water falling from a dam from some height to rotate armature in the magnetic field. अगर जो हम ये जनरेटर बनावान आब सत पत् फाल कुन डैम पे पेवान आब बनावान डैमस मज आब जमा पत् फाल गसान सह तम स रोटेट गसान आर्मेचर इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोवाइड से स्ट्रॉन्ग तम स रोटेशन गसान सह डेवलप स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तथ वन हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इथे पे थर्मल जनरेटर ते पे न्यूक्लियर पावर जनरेटर ते देयर आर डिफरेंट जनरेटर्स विच आर यूज्ड फर्स्ट ऑफ इट वाज डेवलप्ड बाय टेस्ला दिस form of energy we get in the form of alternating current. This was developed by Tesla. Imbront you say electricity is very druj Tesla also this form of alternating current but Imbront Thomas Alva Edison this but so current is developed current is came but so developed current is battery pet current developed yeah chemical pet with the help of mechanical energy. When we do any mechanical work kya we are rotating the coil in a strong magnetic field. Due to this we are generating the current. This concept was developed by Nikola Tesla. I hope you all got it. Thank you very much.